In this practical, we are going to investigate into the nitrating of benzene compound methyl benzoate. This reaction is a safer alternative to the nitration of benzene itself, which is a class 1 carcinogen. The procedure consists of 3 stages: preparation of the crude product, purification of the product by recrystallization and filtration, and testing the purity of the product by melting point determination. Safety. Wear eye protection at all times. Concentrated sulfuric acid and nitric acid are both corrosive. Nitric acid is also oxidizing. Wear safety goggles and disposable gloves when using these chemicals or the nitrating mixture. Make sure that all apparatus is dry before use. Methyl benzoate is harmful. Do not inhale its vapor and avoid contact with the skin. Ethanol is highly flammable and harmful. Keep away from all sources of ignition. In particular, use recently boiled water from an electric kettle to warm the ethanol for recrystallization. Dispose of all ethanol safely before determining the melting point of the product. So here, we prepare an ice bath in a small trough or 500 cm cube beaker. Add 10 cm cube of concentrated sulfuric acid to a clean, dry boiling tube and place the tube in the ice bath. Leave it for 5 minutes while you carry out the next part of the experiment. In another clean, dry test tube, prepare a mixture of 3 cm cube of concentrated sulfuric acid and 3 cm cube of concentrated nitric acid. Label the nitrating mixture and cool it in the ice bath. Place the 10 cm cube measuring cylinder on the top pan balance and add 4 cm cube of methyl benzoate to support the mass of the liquid. Add the methyl benzoate to the concentrated sulfuric acid and continue to cool it in the ice bath. Using a clean, dry dropping pipette, add the nitrated mixture drop by drop to the acidified methyl benzoate. Carefully swirl the tube after each addition and make sure the temperature stays in the range of 5 to 15 degrees centigrade.
5 to 15. Wait until it's about 15 degrees. There it is. Oh yeah, mine. Smells bad, you know. Does it smell bad to this thing? A little bit. Yes, a little bit.
After all the nitrating mixture has been added, leave the mixture to stand at room temperature for 10 minutes.
Well, this study is like some smokes.
As you are adding the nitrating mixture in small amounts, make sure that the temperature is between 5 and 15 degrees centigrade. If the temperature exceeds, then you will get a different product. So temperature is one of the conditions which govern the quality of the product in this particular reaction.
This is question of picture.
After all the nitrating mixture has been added, leave the mixture to cool at room temperature for 10 minutes. Crush up some ice and transfer about 40 gram of it in a 250 centimeter cube beaker. Add the reaction mixture to the ice and stir until the product solidifies. So here we are cooling 15 centimeter cube of distilled water and 10 centimeter cube of ethanol for using in later stages. So 40 gram of crushed ice in a 250 centimeter cube beaker is taken. Add the reaction mixture to the ice and stir until the product solidifies. So the ice is weighed to take roughly around 40 gram of the ice in the beaker. And the mixture is kept in the ice bath.
Oh, we add it to the ice? Like what?
Now the mixture is added to the ice water with continuous stirring until the product is solidified. So what you are seeing there, the white substance formed in the ice, is actually the product solidifying. So with slow addition and continuous stirring, we get a solid nitrated product formed as a result of the reaction. So you can see the lumps in the bead as the product is solidified. Yes.
Oh, yes. Oh.
Once the product is formed, it is time to filter the product using a Buckner funnel. So the Buckner flask and suction filtration is used in this method. So the filtration is carried out. The solidified product is poured into the Buckner funnel, and the Buckner flask collects the filter. The residue is left behind in the funnel, and this is done by suction filtration. So you have the vacuum suction taking place there. Wash the solid product with 3 to 5 centimeter portions of cold distilled water. And then the collection flask is used for a clean, dry, conical flask, and wash the product with 2 centimeter portions of cold ethanol. So the student will have to use a glass straw to collect all the solid product and the liquid product. And then wash it with distilled water 2-3 times. You may have to wash it, no? Remove, yeah. You may have to wash and add it. That's okay. Let it. No. That's okay. Let it be. This you have to wash and add water. Where is that cold water? Something to wash? No, you had no. Which is cold water? Which is alcohol? Is it? They are saying you have to wash it. What is it?
More water?
Yeah, just swirl it and then pour it. So you see the solid product in the Buckner flask, Buckner funnel, and the filtrate in the Buckner flask. Do you pour or do you keep it in the popcorn part?
I put it in here.
Now you have to transfer the product to a 100 centimeter cube conical flask.
Oh, it's floating.
Add 20 centimeter cube of ethanol and place the flask in a 400 centimeter cube beaker of almost boiling water
It needs to dissolve fully.
from an electric kettle. So this, what you see is the conical flask carrying the product
How do I filter it?
dissolved in ethanol and
Put filter
placed
filter.
in
Where do I
boiling
put
water. When the solid
you can put it-
dissolves,
you can put it in
you can see that the solid, as the temperature rises, the solid starts dissolving. When the solid dissolves, remove the flask from the hot water bucket. Filter
That's it
its
dissolved.
contents into
Is
a
it
clean
dissolved? I
flask
can see.
and allow to cool in
I
the
think it
ice
is, right?
bath. So here you see that the solid that was formed is completely dissolved now, and since there is nothing in the flask, we don't have to carry out another filtration, but directly we can pour the contents into the ice bath.
Is there a filter for this?
On cooling, there is recrystallization taking place. So now the cooling is happening in an ice bath.
Oh.
So you can see the solid is recrystallizing. Once the solid recrystallizes, we've got to filter it again. So measure and record the mass of the dry filter paper. Using this paper, filter off the solid and allow it to dry overnight. So that solid is left to dry overnight, and then the melting point of the solid can be determined.